y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha Latrice and you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous limited design brown layer cut mixed blonde glueless 5x5 closure wig in 3 cap sizes, baby. And honey, she is giving me the 90s vibe. She is giving me fabulous. She is giving me sleek. She is giving me chic. She is giving me perfect for the fall season. Not only did Luv Me send this gorgeous unit in this fabulous box, they also sent over sunglasses, a wig grip, a wig cap, silk wrap, and a drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So if you want to see just how easy and quick it was to throw this unit on, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. Alright, let's get into it. Let's get into this gorgeousness right here. Okay, alright. Look at this. Y'all see this gorgeousness right here? Let's get into it. This is gonna be super duper quick and you already know it ain't a lot to do for this unit. Y'all see the lace on this unit. Look at this. Y'all already know it's about to go down. So let's go ahead and put her on.
I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top.
Oh, it's looking cute already. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Let's check out this hairline, y'all. You comb this hair back so we can get into this hairline. This is the hairline. Loving it. And this is a 5x5, so yes, let's get into it. First we're going to clip the hair back so we can get into this lace. Oh yeah, so let's get into it. I'm gonna do my wax stick. I'm gonna have it linked down in the description box below, or you can check out my Amazon store for this wax stick. I don't have a problem with it. It gets the job done. I also haven't tried any other wax sticks, so yeah, but I mean, it's getting the job done, so yeah. Okay, so let me take these clips off and we're gonna hot comb it back first. So let me put some more wax on it. And we're gonna hot comb the front of it real quick.
I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know.
Okay, y'all, look at that. That looks really good. I am liking this so far. Really liking this. Looks good. Really great beginner friendly wig. Now we can get into this lace. Clip the hair back.
When I get to let the top down.
So this is how it looks with the lace off. It looks pretty good. It looks really good. I'm liking how it looks with the lace off. And y'all, we almost done. We are almost done. All right, so I'm about to use my mousse, curl mousse, just to put on the edges so we can help mold the lace. We're just gonna do it in the front. That is all. All right, now that we got it mousse down, we're going to put my wrap on it so we can help mold it down. And this clip is in the way. I'm gonna move it out the way some. So let's wrap it down. Get the hair out the way too.
I see the top going down. If you didn't know, now I know you.
Right, now it's time to get into this lace. Get all the hair from underneath the wrap. Brush it out. And y'all, we almost done. I'm like so super duper excited about this unit because this is so easy. This is so pretty. Next we're going to get my flat iron and we just going to flat it down. Just gonna flat iron it all the way over, all the way around. I'm just taking section by section and just flat iron it, not being too technical about it. Because if this was me getting ready in the morning for work, this is exactly how I would do it. Because you know you be kind of pressed for time. So you're trying to get things done efficiently and still look fabulous. Now I'm just going in and bumping the ends. Now that I straighten it, going in and giving the ends a little bump. And y'all, this is it. This is it. Let's take this wrap off. Wow, y'all. Wow. Oh my god. Y'all see this? Oh my god. Yes. This giving me like the 90s vibe hair. Like, honey, this looks so cute. So what I'm gonna do is wax stick the top because I didn't do that earlier. Flyaways are very minimum. It's even before you hot comb it, it's very minimum. Look at the parting space. Look at this hairline. This is absolutely amazing. Amazing, I tell you, amazing. Like, I can't stop looking. And that color. Oh my god, y'all see this? Honey, do y'all see this? Like,
I'm just another state boy now. I'm living life for real now.
okay, all right. The kids are back in school. All right. Let me show you the side. How she looks from the side. So gorgeous. Gorgeous. And here's the back.
It's alright. On my lonely, I just start up that new iron and I ride. Yeah, this is not a trend. Tattoos on my skin. I'm my daddy's twin. I'm a businessman, just like Jigga said. Pennies to an end. I've been going up now. See the top going down. If you didn't know now.
It is so soft. Go get her. And y'all, this is amazing. Y'all see that? Wow. Like, y'all see this? This unit does fit ear to ear on my head, but this unit comes in 3 cap sizes. It is in a limited design 3 cap size. So if you are a small head beauty or a big head beauty or average size cap size beauty, Luv Me got you covered in this unit. Alright y'all, so let's get into the details of this unit. This is a limited design brown layer cut mixed bun glueless 5x5 closure wig, and it comes in 3 cap sizes. Cap sizes are small 21.5 inches, medium 22.5 inches, and large 23.5 inches. I am wearing this unit in the medium size, which is a 22.5 inches. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This unit is 100% human hair. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. The density on this unit is 150%, so it is very full but lightweight at the same time. Like I said, this unit is 5x5, so you do have the option to part it like I'm parting it now, right down the middle, or you can do the left side, the right side, or do a C part as well. The lace type on this unit is a regular lace, but as you can see, Luv Me don't play with that lace, baby. Like, it looks like it's coming right out of my scalp. This unit also comes with an adjustable band and adjustable straps to help you give you the glueless effect. Like I said, the color on this unit is brown with mixed blonde all up and through here. Like, this unit looks absolutely amazing. The colors are absolutely great and perfect for fall. The layers is framing the face so perfect. It looks like you went to a salon and got it professionally done. This unit also has 4 combs, one on each side, one in the middle, and one in the back. This unit also can be dyed. If you choose to put a little bit more highlights up and through here, you have the option to do that as well. And like I said earlier, this unit is glueless. I am wearing this unit in 18 inches, but y'all, this unit is absolutely amazing. It's perfect for the busy moms and professionals, the college students, the homemakers, the anyone who wants to look fabulous and chic and effortless all at the same time. This unit is great for you. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video. And I'll see you over there.